everyone, I'm gonna do a unboxing of the Osmo Pocket.
Okay, so this is the new Osmo Pocket by DJI. Just open it. Oops. Here's the card. Oops. Okay, so here it is. The accessories. The Osmo Pocket. Just need to turn it on. And that's it. I opened it a while ago just to activate it through the DJI Mimo app. So that's the first thing that you have to do when you open it. Otherwise you won't be able to use it. So here are the accessories. So this is the charging cable. So these are the connectors for the mobile. So this is like the adapter wherein you can connect it directly to your mobile. So this is for iPhone. Just need to slide it like that and connect it to your iPhone. Same as for USB-C Type-C connector for other mobile devices like Galaxy S9, Huawei P10. So you just need to connect it directly to your mobile to activate it, and that's it.